world calls them a creator. Closed a $3,000 brand deal for a single piece of content. The brand loved it. The money just never arrived. 3 months later, they were covering everyday expenses with borrowed cash, while an invoice sat in a finance department's queue. We started asking why. The answer changed everything. We are not influencers, we are co founders. We listen to creators we personally know, people making living from content, and heard the same frustration from everywhere. Payments weren't just late, they were stuck in systems never designed for the speed creators work at. We, Tanvi and Sahil, founders from India, built Revify to fix that infrastructure and not just to patch it. This isn't a regional glitch. 58% of payments worldwide are late, worse than any previous year on record. 87% of content creators have faced payment issues. For a $255 billion industry, the infrastructure to move money from brand to creator without weeks of waiting simply hasn't existed. The problem is global. The solution needed to be too. Others saw the problem too. Zerodha01 tried to build a creator network but got caught in regulatory headwinds. The UK's XPO built fast invoicing for freelancers but couldn't sustain operations. Tally raised $80 million to tackle consumer credit and closed in 2023. They validated demand. They didn't build a borderless instant settlement layer. Revify is that layer. Our vision is simple: a world where no creator waits 90 days to access money they've already earned. We are building the financial bridge between the global creator economy and instant borderless settlement. Any creator, anywhere, paid on their terms. Here's how it works. Step 1. A creator secures X dollar brand deal. They approve the agreement at deadlines on Revify. Step 2. The brand pays into a secure smart contract escrow lockbox using a simple checkout link. Step 3. The creator chooses between standard settlement or clicks request advance. Step 4. 90% of the amount in USDC arrives in their Solana wallet instantly. Revify keeps a flat 1% fee and charges a transparent 5% fee on instant advances. No hidden costs, no repayment schedules. That's all. Revify's revenue model is transparent and self-sustaining. The core 1% fee on the projected serviceable market creates $85.7 million annual opportunity, and 5% will be charged on instant advances and platform fee. That fee is split primarily into treasury growth through DeFi lending with lean allocations for operations and a protocol reserve. We also earn float income on funds held in escrow. No ads, no data sales, pure financial infrastructure. Phase 1 is Revify Core, advancing single invoices. Phase 2 is Revify Pro. We're building a pooled funding model where creators' collective brand deal histories create a shared credit facility. Institutional partners provide liquidity. Creators access it without individual underwriting. It's a cooperative treasury that transforms a consistent content career into a credit score. Built on Solana, settlements happen in seconds with full transparency. That's all.